Feller Power Cords, embracing tradition and innovation, continuously reinventing ourselves for over 150 years. Cutting-edge production of power cords headquartered in the heart of Europe, with 5 manufacturing sites strategically placed around the globe. Product portfolio covering the entire spectrum of power plug types worldwide, ensuring compliance with a vast variety of national and international approvals. Outstanding agility in production achieved via extensive vertical integration, automation, and a team of highly skilled specialists. Unmatched competencies in research and development, enabled by in-house construction capabilities and tool-making, establishing the highest quality and safety standards in the industry through state-of-the-art testing equipment and 100% product testing. Enforcing sustainable business practices through nearly self-sufficient energy production from on-site solar and hydropower generation. Promoting compliance with environmental standards, embracing the principles of a circular economy, and seizing refurbishment opportunities of our machinery for a sustainable coexistence with nature. Strengthening core competencies in production in Europe and America to serve a global market with state-of-the-art machinery, innovative product development, secure workplaces ensuring diversity, and the solid foundation of an owner-led business. Quality, agility, excellence. Feller Power Cords.